Two habits for rapid advancement. $1 million habit. There are two habits that you can develop that will help you get ahead faster than any success secret that you will learn ever. They are simple and easy to learn and incredibly powerful. Number one, you should develop the habit of starting earlier, working harder and staying later. मतलब सुबह जल्दी अपना काम स्टार्ट कर दो और थ्रू आउट डे जो आपका वर्किंग टाइम है वर्क हार्ड करो और शाम तक लेट तक काम करो. डेवलप द हैबिट ऑफ Second is that develop the habit of asking for and accepting more responsibility. Ask for more responsibility. As soon as you feel that you are on the top of your work, go to your boss and tell him that you want more responsibility. Don't waste time. One of the most important habits that you can develop is the habit of working all the time you work. जब work time है तो काम करो, then there is no gossip. Most people major in minor and work on low priority activities. When you discipline yourself to focus on high priority tasks and to make every minute count, you will immediately separate yourself from everyone else and take full control of your career and your future. Be a hard worker. The habit of hard work. In every study of successful people, whether they are athlete, executive, entrepreneurs or self-made millionaires in any field, the most obvious habit they have is that they work much longer and harder than their co-workers. There is a direct relationship between how hard you work and how much you are paid. The key to career success. The key to success in any job today is to add value. Add value. At one time you could get a job, reach a certain level of accomplishment, एक level पे पहुंच जाओगे, and then coast for months and even years on your previous achievement. फिर आप उसको गाते रहोगे, मैंने ये किया वो किया. Today, however, you must be looking for ways to add value every single day. आज आपको जरूरत है कि हर single day अपने में value add करो. Your company no longer care what you might have accomplished in the past. The main question today is what have you done for me lately? By the same token, one of the most important habits you develop is the habit of looking forward 3 to 5 years. आगे देखो 3 से 5 साल में आपने क्या करना है. Identifying the additional skills and competency you will need to be to the top of your field at that time. अगर आपने हमेशा टॉप पे रहना तो आगे का देखो कौन सी एडिशनल स्किल्स कॉम्पिटेंसीज आपको चाहिए वो डेवलप करो. What are the skills possessed by the highest paid people in your industry today? These are the key questions that determine the direction of your career. The race is on. Peter Drucker writes, the only skill that will be important in the 21st century is the skill of learning new skill. कौन सी स्किल इंपॉर्टेंट होगी 21st सेंचुरी में? टू स्किल द लर्निंग न्यू स्किल्स. नया क्या सीखा आपने? एवरीथिंग एल्स विल बिकम ऑब्सोलीट ओवर टाइम. सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा. वी से दैट वॉट एवर गॉट यू टू वेयर यू आर टूडे इज नॉट एनफ टू कीप यू देयर. Tom Peters says that whatever you are doing well today, you will have to be doing it vastly better 1 year from today if you want to keep your current position. The race is on and you are in it. Continually look for ways to add value, to contribute more than you are contributing today. Never forget that you are a knowledge worker. You are a knowledge worker, and the value of your work is not determined by the hours that you put in, but by the results that you get out. कितने घंटे काम किया दैट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है, रिजल्ट्स क्या निकला दैट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. यू आर ए नॉलेज वर्कर. Make a habit of focusing on the most important and valuable results that you can accomplish in your position. Keep looking forward and identifying the additional skills and abilities that you can develop and that will enable you to add more value by getting even better and more important results. Value add करो, उसके results आने चाहिए. Look like a winner. You must develop the habit of dressing like a person who is going somewhere in life. Human beings are instantly visual. We are inordinately influenced by the external appearance of other people. Some surveys suggest that we form our first impression in the first 4 seconds of meeting a person, and we finalize our conclusion about the person in the first 30 seconds. First 30 seconds में impression बना लेते हैं. Something quite abrupt or shocking has to occur for us to alter our first impression को बदलने के लिए very difficult. This is the way our mind works. One of the rules for success is that everything count. हर चीज़ count होती है. Everything helps or hurt. Everything help करती है grow करने में या नुकसान करती है. Everything adds up or takes away. Everything is either moving you toward a goal of your own choosing or is moving you away from that goal. Everything count. What word do people use to describe you in your absence? आपके पीछे लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Based on their experience with you, with your character and your work habits. How do people talk about you to others when you are not there? How would you like them to talk about you? आप चाहते क्या हो? आप लोग आपकी बात कैसे बात करें? Finally, how could you develop the habit of walking, talking, dressing, working, and behaving in such a way that the other people describe you in the most positive and flattering way? मतलब लोग आपके पीठ पीछे आपकी तारीफ करें कि बंदा कैसे वॉक कर रहा है, कैसे टॉक कर रहा है, क्या उसकी हैबिट्स हैं. Would it be helpful to you if people were to say that she is extremely competent, efficient, honest, friendly, helpful, and gets things done quickly and well? How could you change or restructure your appearance and work habits? What steps could you take immediately to begin creating these works in people's mind? Be a good team player. The habit of working well with other people, your ability to be a good team player early in your career and a good team leader later in your career will do as much to increase your value to your company as any other habit or skill that you can develop. In times of economic turbulence and large-scale layoff, researchers have found that the last people to let go from any organization are the most popular and helpful people. जो most popular है, most helpful है others को, वो सबसे last में हटेंगे. Focus on customer service. Develop the habit of seeing everyone around you as a customer of some kind. आपके आसपास सब आपके customer हैं. And simultaneously see yourself as a customer service specialist. अपने आप को customer service specialist मानो. A customer can be defined as anyone who you depend upon for your success at work, and anyone who depends upon you for their success at work or in the outside world. Your best customer. Begin with your boss. He or she is your most important customer. This is because you can fail to satisfy every other customer in your organization, but as long as your boss continues to like and support you, your job will be safe. On the other hand, you can please every other person inside and outside of your organization, but if you do not satisfy your boss, your job will be in jeopardy. Your boss is therefore your number one customer. मतलब boss को राजी रखो. From them on, develop the habit of always working on your boss' number one task. बॉस का जो काम है उसके काम में हेल्प करनी है, वैसे चमचागिरी नहीं करनी. If your boss asks you to do a new job, immediately ask what order of priority does the new task have in comparison with other work that you are doing. Help others to be effective. दूसरों की हेल्प करो तो वो भी इफेक्टिव बने. Make up a list of all the people within and without your organization whose assistance, help, cooperation and support you need in order to do your job the very best possible. आपको अपना काम करने में किन लोगों की हेल्प असिस्टेंस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है उनकी लिस्ट बनाओ. You should then make a habit of cultivating these people. इन लोगों को cultivate करो and looking for ways to help them to be more successful in fulfilling their responsibility as well. उनकी भी हेल्प करो कि वो अपना जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से आसान होके संभाल सके. Sowing and reaping. In chapter 1, we said that law of cause and effect is the granddaddy law of Western philosophy. The iron law of cosmos, universe का law है, law of cause and effect. Biblical version of this law is the law of sowing and reaping. जो बीजोगे वही काटोगे. This law states that whatever you sow, that also shall you reap. In the world of work, this means that whatever you put in or do for others will eventually come back to you. दूसरों के लिए करोगे वही आपके लिए आएगा. Note that the law of sowing and reaping has a specific order. First you sow, then you reap. Many people try to reap before they sow or without sowing at all. But this is not the way the world works. First you look for the ways to help other people. Then almost automatically people will be predisposed to helping you when the time arises. पहले लोगों की हेल्प करो, टाइम आएगा लोग आपकी हेल्प करेंगे. One of the great rules for success is this: the more you give of yourself without expectation of return, एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं करनी कि मेरे को कुछ मिलेगा, the more you will come back to you from the most unexpected resources. Unexpected sources से आपको वापस मिलेगा. Develop the habit of looking for ways to put in more than you get out, to sow more than you reap, to go the extra mile, and to always do more than you are paid to do. जो आप करते हो उससे ज़्यादा देते मिलता है उससे ज़्यादा करो. Give the people more than their expectation. President of your own company. One of the most important habits you can develop to succeed in your company is the habit of being yourself as self-employed. See yourself as the president of your own personal service occupation. Act as if you own 100% of the shares of the company you work for. Treat the company like it belongs to you in every respect. By developing the habit of seeing yourself as self-employed, you take complete responsibility of yourself. Your attitude improves and your actions become more focused, efficient and deliberate. जहाँ काम कर रहे हो वहाँ ये समझो ये आपकी कंपनी है. अपनी कंपनी समझ के काम करो. Be positive and cheerful. Perhaps the most helpful decision you can make is to develop the habit of being a pleasant, positive person. Develop the habit of being a pleasant, positive person. हमेशा pleasant, positive person बनो. Refuse to criticize, condemn or complain. भूल जाओ किसी की criticism करनी है, किसी को condemn करना है, किसी की complain करनी है. Not engage in gossip with your co-worker. Imagine that everything that you say at work will be repeated and published on the company bulletin board. Guard your tongue. tongue को guard कर लो. Instead, look for something good to say about everyone. हर एक के बारे में अच्छा बोल लो. Very good. हर एक के बारे में अच्छा बोलने की कोशिश करो. Always be cheerful and friendly. Always be cheerful, friendly, be patient and easygoing. जल्दी ना करो. बी पेशेंट रहो. इजी गोइंग. बी पोलाइट एंड कर्टियस. बी थॉटफुल एंड कॉन्सिडरेट. वेरी गुड. बी द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन दैट एवरीवन लाइक्स टू हैव वर्किंग फॉर देम और लाइक्स टू वर्क फॉर और विद. लोग आपका काम करने में मजा आए. मेक इट ए हैबिट टू लुक फॉर गुड इन एवरी पर्सन एंड सिचुएशन. हर सिचुएशन में हर पर्सन में अच्छाई देखो. एंड टू कीप फोकस्ड ऑन हेल्पिंग अदर पीपल and adding value to your company. These habits will help you as much more than anything else you could possibly do. Action exercise. इस चैप्टर का सार क्या है? Determine what you find easy to learn and easy to do. देखो कौन सा काम आपके लिए easy to learn है, easy to do है. इसका मतलब वो आपके talent, ability से मैच करता है. What do you most enjoy doing at work? Find a job doing more of that और फिर वही काम करते रहो. Identify your unique talents and abilities and dedicate yourself to becoming absolutely excellent in those areas. उस एरिया में excellent बन जाओ. Number 3, develop the habit of continually asking for accepting more responsibility for results and then move quickly when you get an opportunity to perform. Number 4, work all the time you work. जो काम का टाइम है तो काम करो. When you start earlier, work harder and stay later, you quickly separate yourself from all others. Number 5, focus on satisfying your customers at work, both inside and outside of the company. Number 6, develop the habit of working well with others. Always be looking for ways to contribute, to help others, to do their jobs better and faster. Number 7, get the job done fast. The faster you move, the more energy you have. The more you get done and faster you will be paid more and promoted to higher levels of responsibility. Work is an extension of your personality. It is achievement. It is one of the ways in which a person defines himself and measures his worth and his immunity. Peter Drucker ने बोला है।